What's going on, guys? It's Christopher again. I'm just here and I'm designing in Carbide Create software just for designing a simple sign for my business. It's for like craft shows or whatever we decided to use it for, and just showing you how I go about the process. I had already pre-designed the actual sign, but just showing you this kind of how I go along with it. So I just added a quick circle, and it's gonna be a 14-inch circle, so a 7-inch diameter or radius, so 14-inch diameter. And I just kind of lining everything up there and make sure it's all good to go, and have it cut on the outside of that line right there in the circle. And here I'm just setting up the V-carve to carve out the engraving first before I have the tool cut out the exterior perimeters, just so it doesn't move around on or anything. Just did a quick light engraving with a 60-inch V-carve bit. Nothing fancy, just something that'll go through it pretty quick. Right here I am, just got that, and then here when I clicked the ring originally, I accidentally clicked V-carve, and took me a second to figure out what was going on. But you're gonna want to click on contour if you do something similar to this. Contour is it's mainly just cutting for depth. So you can use your flat mill or your ball end mill, whichever you have or would prefer to use. All of it works pretty well. It's just different purposes. But here I switched it back over, and see it gave me a mess right there. I couldn't do the V-carve, so I cancel it out and re-click it, and then hit contour, and then I can do my 1/8-inch end mill, which the one I like to use for something small like this. It prevents the board from moving around too much. I can just use double-sided tape to hold it down to my waste board. That is a quick 10 plunge rate and 100 the feed rate, just to make sure I don't break my bit or anything like that. Just real nice and smooth. So here I'm just going to show you real quick what it's kind of going to come out to look like. This is going to be part 1 of 3. So the next part will be me assembling the gluing up the boards, and then part 3 will be the actual CNC cut. So stay tuned. Hope this if it helped anything. If y'all like this, let me know, and I'll maybe make a longer in-depth video, possibly CNC wise. If y'all like the way this looks, just comment and let me know, and I could possibly make some tutorials or something like that. So it's just kind of give you an overview of kind of like what I've been doing, and here I am just saving it and to the file later on so I can upload it on CNC. So hope you all have a great day. Thank you.